Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike coming in from the mailbox. It's Christmas again. Got a package. This package is from Nick in Port Barre, Louisiana. And I know what this is. This is Nick contacted me about a problem he's having with his rewind starter on his 25 horsepower Johnson. So I told him to ship it to me, and I'd take care of it for him. This is part of my mail-in repair service I have. Ship me your part, I'll take care of it and ship it back to you. So Nick did ship it to me. Here's his rewind starter. And he shipped me a little packet, a little envelope with his return address on it. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, $100. I told him just put it in the box. Should take care of the parts and the repair and everything. I'll test it for you. So the pawl is called a pawl, P-A-W-L here, and the spring is broken on both sides. This one's actually missing. So he broke the pawl and the spring. So I'm going to order the parts online, replace it for him, and ship it back to him. So I'll come back to you when the parts come in. If everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so the parts have come in. There's the pawls, 2 of them, and there's the 2 springs that go. So it's pretty simple to do. Just pop the E-clip off, put the pawl on here, and connect the spring from here to this plate. So I'm gonna do that now and get it going for him. Here we go. Okay, I've got the repair job finished, done. Replace both the pawls and the springs, and you see how it works. When you pull on the starter rope, the pawls jump out. They jump out here to catch the flywheel to start your motor. So they work. I'm gonna stick it back in the box and send it back to Nick. Project complete. So if you have a rewind starter, carburetor, gear case, magneto, starter handle, broken tiller handle, whatever you have broken on your vintage motor, if you want Team Mike to take care of it, just contact me, mail it to me, I'll mail it back to you. Easy peasy. Hope you all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I make at least 1 video every week. And then go ahead and hit the like button and join the Team Mike fraternity. So if you're this first time watching one of my videos, I have over 350 videos of everything you need to know about repair, maintaining, and restoring your vintage outboard motors. I specialize in Johnson and Evinrude's 3 horsepower to 20 horsepower, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. So as I said, I have every video you need to know on how to work on these motors. And if I don't have one, I want you to let me know. Just hit in the comments on one of the videos and tell me what video I need to make, and I'll make it for you. I've also got every part you need to work on these motors. I have an eBay store. You can get to my eBay store by Googling T-Mike Vintage Outboards, or click on the link down below in the description. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store. I sell all the hardware. I sell all the kits, spark wires, ignition, magneto components, points, coils, condensers, gear case, seals, everything. I even have some printed, 3D printed plastic handle grips and other parts for you. So I have all the videos, and I have all the parts you need. I also now am providing parts manuals. So I have over 150 hard copy parts manuals, 1923 to 1958. So you can get your parts manuals from me too. So this is my passion. My goal was to have every video, every part, and every parts manual that you need. And if I don't have what you need, let me know. You can always call me for technical assistance too. My number is 337-278-5429. Give me a shout out. I love text messaging. I'll try to help you and answer your question. So I enjoy what I do. I hope you're having as much fun as I am working on these motors. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See you next video.